Hello friends, welcome to Education Buddy. In this video, we will discuss 10 most important GL awareness questions. So let's begin. Our first question is Indian Constitution has framed by Working Committee or President or Planning Committee or Constituent Assembly. The time starts now. You will get 10 seconds for each question. The answer is Constituent Assembly. India's constitution is world's longest constitution and originally had 395 articles. It was drafted and adopted in 26 November 1949 and came into force in 26 January 1950 and amended first time in 1951. Our next question is who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Is it Dr. Rajendra Prasad or Sachidanand Sinha or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or H.V. Kamath? The time starts now. The answer is Sachidanand Sinha. Sachidanand Sinha presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly. Next question is National Anthem was adopted by the Constitution Assembly on which date? The time start now. The answer is 24 January 1950. National Song of India is Vande Mataram is a Sanskrit poem written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870s, which he included in his 1882 Bengali novel Anandamath. National Anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. National flag of India was designed by Pingali Venkaya. Next question is match the following. These are India's constitution and these are the countries from which they are adopted. So just match the following pairs. You will get 20 seconds for this question. The time starts now. The answer is Directive Principles of State Policy was adopted from Ireland. Concurrent List was adopted from Australia. Emergency Duties was adopted from Germany. Fundamental Rights was adopted from USA. Fundamental Duties was adopted from Russia and Parliamentary Form was adopted from UK, Britain, England. Our next question is how many schedules are present in Indian Constitution? Is it 9, 10, 11 or 12? The time starts now. The time ends and the answer is 12. There are 12 schedules at present in Indian Constitution. Next question is total number of languages in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution are 15, 17, 22 or 20. The time starts now. The answer is 22. The 22 languages are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Santhali, Maithili, and Dogri. Next question is what is the minimum age to qualify for the Lok Sabha election? Is it 25, 20, 35, or 45? The time starts now. The answer is 25. Next question is, who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Is it Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan or J.V. Mavalankar or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or Dr. P.V. Cherian? The time starts now. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was J.V. Mavalankar. First Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha was S.V. Krishnamurthy Rao, and present Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha is Harivansh Narayan Singh. First President of India was Rajendra Prasad, and present President of India is Ramnath Kovind. First Vice President of India was Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and present Vice President of India is Venkaiah Naidu, and Venkaiah Naidu is also the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Next question is, Speaker of Lok Sabha resign to whom? If he want to resign, then to whom he will resign? Is it President or Deputy Speaker or Prime Minister or Council of Ministers? The time starts now. In the case of Speaker resign, he will resign to Deputy Speaker. Next question is, who approves money bill in Lok Sabha? Is it President or Speaker or Finance Minister or President? Sorry, these are two same options. So just find out. The time starts now. The answer is Speaker. Indian Constitution and the most important articles, and these articles talks about Article 110 talks about money bill. Article 52 talks about president. Article 63 talks about vice president. Article 74 talks about prime minister. Article 76 talks about attorney general of India. Article 153 talks about governor, and Article 163 talks about chief minister. So these are today's most important general awareness questions. So I think this video is thankful is useful for you. Thank you very much for listening.